Hello people. MBA House never use other material rather than the official material. So, why? Look this example. This girl will solve a random question created by this company, this GMAT prep company. See how she solves the problem, please.
And one hard problem that tests the exact same content but at different levels of complexity. Okay, if you'd like to try this problem on your own, go ahead and pause the video because we're gonna just jump right in. So we've got this diagram. It's got a bunch of angle measurements in degrees. It's got a bunch of unlabeled angles, and they tell us that segment BC is parallel to line AD. That's important. They want us to measure angle E. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put a question mark right here to make sure I solve for the right thing. Okay, so taking a look at this, we've got parallel lines, which means we might be dealing with some lines and angles rules. We also can see a bunch of triangles, which probably means we're dealing with the fact that the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Now, if I just start labeling things I know, I'm actually gonna get off to a really good start on this problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this smaller triangle. So I see that I've got the angles 75 and 65, which means I can solve for the other angle, knowing that all of these should add up to 180. This should be 40. Okay, well, using the fact that BC and AD are parallel, we can see that they make this Z shape. So we've got two parallel lines intersected by another line, which means that the angles created by that line are going to be the same as well. So we're going, okay, that is 40, that is 40. Now turning our attention to the larger triangle, now I've got two angles in that triangle, which means I can solve for the third. So if I've got a 40-degree angle and a 95-degree angle, that means that I have 135 degrees so far, which means I have 45 degrees remaining, which means the angle that I'm looking to solve for is 45 degrees. And my answer is D. Now, there are a couple...
Okay, long explanation, okay? I don't know if you guys understood clearly. But, first, I never saw a question similar to this, but the theory is applied in the GMAT. Look, the theory involved is all the angles of any triangle sum 180, the internal angles, obviously. And when you have two parallel lines and you cut by a transversal, these angles are equal, congruent, okay? It's all you need. Why not use a real GMAT question to apply this? And about the explanation, let's see. Let's magnify here. This line is parallel to this line, okay? So this angle is equal to this angle. The summation is 180. 180 minus 75 minus 65 is 40. So this is 40. This is 180, this triangle. Okay? 180 minus 95 minus 40 is 45. Done. So we should focus in learn the basic, very simple theory and apply in real GMAT questions. Okay? Thank you very much.